Cookie, please. Katie watched her brother eating a cookie.
Can I have a cookie too?
Katie asked her mother. What's the magic word? Katie's mother asked.
I don't know.
Katie tried to reach the jar.
Oh, why did he get one?
Katie pointed to her brother. He was polite and said the magic word, her mom explained. Katie asked her brother,
What's the magic word?
But her brother was too busy chewing to answer.
I really want a cookie,
Katie said impatiently. Her mother shook her head. She put the jar away. Katie watched her brother eat his cookie.
Can you please tell me the magic word?
Katie asked. Katie's brother said,
Please is the magic word.
Katie jumped up and down.
Please, can I have one?
Her mom gave her a cookie. Now, what do you say?
Thank you, Mommy.
Katie gave her mom a hug.